To adjust the color and outline of fonts to make them stand out in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to enable high contrast font feature in the accessibility menu. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Now tap the crayon offset next to high contrast fonts until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this feature is on, your phone will adjust the color and outline of fonts to make them stand out. As you can see, the font on the home screen, on the app screen, on the notification panel, on the quick panel, and anywhere are no more bold and are using outline to make them more stand out. As a note, if you like using this feature, you can enable shortcut so you can easily turn this feature on or off anytime you want without you have to go to your phone setting menu. To do so, go back to the vision enhancement menu, tap high contrast font, and then tap the crayon offset next to high contrast font shortcut until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Now tap high contrast font shortcut. Here you are provided with 3 shortcuts. You can enable one of them, some of them, or all of them. First, tap accessibility button. If you choose this option, the high contrast font option will be listed in the pop-up menu when you tap the accessibility button, as you can see in the screen. Second, press side and volume up button. If you choose this option, you can easily enable or disable the high contrast font feature by using this button combination. Third, press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. If you choose this option, you can easily enable or disable the high contrast font feature by using this buttons combination. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.